Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So based on your suggestions, I updated Aimogen and added to it a feature to create hierarchical categories and also custom taxonomies to created posts. So if you want to add child categories and parent categories, for example, in Aimogen, you will be able to do this using this new update of the plugin or later versions. So let me show you this in action. Aimogen is linked in this video's description, don't forget about this. And let me tell you where you will be able to use this. So everywhere where you will be able to create posts in the plugin and where you will be able to set custom taxonomies, this will be available. So this is currently available in Omniblocks, in Bulk AI Post Creator, in YouTube, Amazon, CSV Post Creators, all will support this feature. And you will be able to use it using the custom taxonomy settings field. So to test this, let's remove all previous omniblocks to speed things up, and let's write a hard-coded title and content for the post. Also, let's remove the featured image shortcode as we don't need a featured image. And let's go up to custom taxonomies. Here you will be able to set custom taxonomies in this format. So taxonomy name and yeah, sorry, I moved this, so I should not move it. So taxonomy name and taxonomy value. However, if you want to set hierarchical taxonomies, you will be able to set parent and greater sign child format. So for example, category parent 1 child 1. And let me show you this in action, and let me use the category taxonomy and say parent 1 child 1. This is an example, and don't forget to add also a keyword for the rule to be able to be saved. And now let's check posts. It's empty, and now let's run to create a single post. Okay, so we did not get results as I already used the test keyword, but the tester was not used. So here it is. The categories are separately created. As you can see, here are, let me show you how we set. So parent 1 and child 1. And if we go to categories here, you can see parent 1 and child 1 categories here. So let's go ahead and delete all these categories to not mess things up for us, and let's remove post and re-import it. And now we will be able to see this more clearly. And also if you want to, for example, so let's refresh, and here it is, parent 1 child 1 category as a child category, because you will see this line. Also, the nice part is that you can set multiple children, child of child 1 for example, and also another category, test. So in this case we will have 1, 2, 3 categories, and all these will be hierarchical categories, and this is a separate category which is test. We can write here also like this, but in this case we don't write. In this case we just save, and let's remove and refresh. So now we will have new categories created. So parent 1 child 1 child of child 1 is the child of child 1, and test separately. And if we refresh, we will see child 1 child of child 1. News is the default category. You can remove this from settings, and also the parent 1 and test separately. Okay, so now let me show you this For example, as I said, we can also set for test child, and we save, and so on. You will be able to play with these values. You can also instruct the AI to do this format for you, and the AI will be able to generate these categories in this format, and the plugin will generate also as a result the child categories for you. Okay, so as I said, this will be able to be used in AI Omni blogs and also in bulk AI post creator. For example, if we create a testing post only and search for taxonomy, we can set a custom category, text and text 2. Okay, and we can also set static categories, as you can see. So we can set parent 1 for a category, and let's create a new post. And in this case we will get similar results for the post that we just create, and we will get hierarchical taxonomies and categories as a result of this. So while this is running, let me show you Aimogen. It is linked in this video description, and also we will be able to soon refresh posts here, and here it is, checking which was the title which the AI generated, and parent 1 text 2. So parent 1 is the category that we set from here, and text 2 is the category we entered, and text 2 is child of text. Okay, so if you have more ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Every idea is welcome. Yeah, like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this content, these updates. They will keep flowing if you like this videos that I create. Thank you for watching. Until then, this is all for today. Bye bye.